In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy seller account. Setting up shop on Etsy is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to showcase your unique products to the world. Let's get started. First things first, head over to etsy.com on your web browser. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. Since you're new to selling on Etsy, you'll want to continue by selecting the Register option. Next up, you'll need to fill in some basic details. Begin by entering your email address. Make sure this is one you check regularly, as Etsy will use this to send you crucial notifications about your shop. Then fill in your full name. This is your personal name, not your shop name. You'll also need to create a password that you can easily remember, but keep in mind that it should be strong enough to protect your account. With these details in place, go ahead and click Register. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a quicker experience. Now it's time to verify your email. Head over to your inbox and look for a confirmation email from Etsy, open it and follow the instructions to verify your email address. Verifying your email is a necessary step to secure your account and proceed further. Once your email verification is complete, log into your Etsy account. When you're back on the homepage, click the button that says Open Your Etsy Shop or navigate through the Shop Manager if that's visible. Now let's talk preferences. You'll need to set your shop's preferences, which include selecting your primary language, country, and currency. Choose the options that best suit your business needs, then click Save and Continue to move forward. At this point, it's time to think about naming your shop. Enter a unique name that consists of 4 to 20 characters without using any spaces or special characters. Etsy will automatically check if your desired shop name is available, so keep a couple of backup names ready just in case. Once your shop name is set, it's time to provide your payout details. Here you will enter your bank account information, select the currency you want to get paid in, and potentially provide your taxpayer identification number if Etsy requires it for your region. Now let's set up billing to handle any listing fees or transactions. You'll need to add a credit or debit card, which also helps Etsy verify your identity. Security is crucial, so it's wise to set up additional protections for your shop, such as two-factor authentication and a strong password to help guard against unauthorized access. Finally, make sure you review all the information you've entered, and when you're ready, click Open Your Shop. Congratulations, your Etsy shop is now live and ready to welcome customers from around the globe. Happy selling!